and good morning. I don't think I've ever uploaded a video this early in the morning, but the point of this video is to make your Monday better, and I thought I should upload it early on a Monday morning. So I don't know why we all hate Monday. I don't know why I hate Monday, because I don't even like have an office job. I never have. I've always been a freelancer, so I work on Sundays, I work on Mondays, I work on every day of the week. Just something about Mondays that we all hate. Like, it's pretty much in our head, like it sucks because you make it suck, because you want it to suck. So over the years, I've kind of thought of things that I do that is not just for Mondays. It's on days when I feel like blah, or I don't want to work, or whenever you're lacking some kind of motivation, these tips should help you then. For most people, it's on Mondays. So here are 10 tips to make your Monday better. Okay, so tip number 1 is my favorite Monday hashtag. It is Monday motivation. So I usually start looking at my phone in bed as soon as I wake up, so I like to look at something positive. The hashtag Monday motivation is always trending on Twitter every Monday. I'm sure it's on Instagram and everywhere else, but I usually look at it on Twitter because there are like fun quotes, pictures, and it's all like an interesting, feed. So yeah, definitely look at that. It just makes you feel better and start the day on a more positive note. And you can also contribute to, like, add your own quotes in, or things that you feel help you on Mondays, and like just join in the conversation. So yeah, all in all, it makes you feel good. Number 2 is plan your week. Now, Mondays for me are serious business. Like, I get down with my key planners. I have one of these where I fill in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend. And I keep adding things to the days as the days go by. So what is amazing about it is that you kind of see your whole week, and it's not like you're just looking at Monday as Monday. You're looking at it as the week ahead. So if you just start your week this way, which is more planned, organized, and systematic, everything just goes smoother and you feel better. Number 3, do something productive. So this is usually my do something productive. I usually try and avoid shooting my videos beforehand for Monday. This, of course, I had to shoot earlier because I wanted up early morning, but I usually shoot, edit, and upload on Monday. So it's kind of like my productive thing of the day, and I'm like, okay, my Monday video, it's done, yeah. So yeah, be productive. Do whatever it is that makes you feel productive, whether it's at work, whether it's at home. If you're home, clean the house, cook, do something productive. Like, do not just lay in bed all day and be like, it's Monday, I hate Monday. That really does not help. So go out there, be productive. Okay, now this is something I strongly feel. If you look your best, you feel your best. Okay, now for me, it's currently like earrings. Like, earrings are my new lipstick. Like, earlier I would just put on some lipstick and I feel like I'm ready. Now if I put on like long dangly earrings, that's kind of like the feeling I get. And I'm sure it's different for different people. For someone it's wearing heels. Whatever makes you feel good. Like, dress well on a Monday. Like, I would say wear something new, or dress up. Like, if you're not someone who dresses up normally, wear something a little more dressy. It will make you feel better. Like, for me, I'm a complete mood dresser, and I feel like if I just wear something frumpy and like blah, I feel blah. If I like dress up and I feel like I've arrived, then my day is better. So whatever it is, like, wear lipstick, do your hair, put on earrings, put on a new dress, anything that makes you feel better, whatever works for you, do that. Okay, the next tip is bring out your inner Beyonce. We all have her hiding inside us. So music really helps. Now, my favorite thing to do is dance in the shower. I've actually put a speaker in my shower, like a waterproof speaker, which is in my shower now, and it's permanently there. I just charge it, keep it there, and I play whatever I'm in the mood for on that day. And that really helps. Like, dancing in the shower is one of the funnest things to do. If you have not done it, do it now. So start your day that way and your day will be amazing. The other thing you can do is also listen to music on your way to work, school, or wherever you're on your way, or if you're just in the house doing things, put on some music. Music really helps to make everything feel better. Okay, tip number 6, set small goals and achieve them. Now, I have my whole week planned out, like usually, and whatever I decide for Monday, I finish on a Monday. Like, that tick that you make on that list, oh my god, there is no better feeling than that. And you actually feel like you've achieved something at the end of the day. Like, on a Monday evening when my video goes live and I've done everything on my checklist, I feel like You're a good kid. So definitely set small goals, achievable goals. Don't set like ridiculous goals which would take you like a week to complete. Set realistic small goals, achieve them, and you will feel great. Now this next tip probably goes against everything that Mondays stand for, but like I always hear this expression of not on a Monday, or no, I can't go out on a Monday, or how can we do this on a Monday, why on a Monday? Who made these rules? Like, why can't we do things on a Monday? Like, make Monday a fun day. So if you're on a diet, make Monday like your cheat day, or go out for like a meal with your friends on Monday. I'm sorry, all my like positive, happy things end up going to food for some reason. But or go for coffee, or do something that's fun on a Monday. Like, you know, you don't have to restrict yourself and say, no, not on a Monday. I can only do this on the weekend. Do something fun on a Monday, and that way you kind of look forward to Mondays because there's like a fun thing to do. Number 8, the most important tip is rest up on a Sunday. The reason most people hate Mondays is because they feel like shit on a Monday morning, because they've been either partying all weekend, or they've been like doing things like going out here, there, and like, or you're out till like the wee hours on Sunday, and then you like go to work on Monday morning like that, and you're just like... So that's one of the reasons a lot of people hate Mondays, because they're so tired on Monday. So if you rest on Sunday and you're like ready to take on the week on Monday, you will be a much happier person on Mondays. Number 9, most people are not going to like this, but workout. Working out gets those endorphins going. You feel positive, you feel happy. Again, it's one of those achievement kind of feelings, and you feel like you started the week well when you work out. Like, at least I definitely do. Like, if I go out for a run on a Monday, I feel like, yes, you know, this week is going to be amazing because I got my run in and I'm fit and it just works. And the last tip is start something new, whether it's a book, a new TV show, a movie, things that you've just been wanting to start. Like, don't start it on the weekend, actually start it on a Monday. That way you're looking forward to like starting something new on a Monday, and it's exciting to start something new at the beginning of the week, because then you have something to look forward to like the whole week. Like, if you start a new series on Monday, you can pretty much watch it through the week, or a book, and those things keep you happy, keep you positive, keep you smiling. So guys, those were my 10 tips to make Mondays suck less, and I hope they helped you. If they did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, watch my last video, and comment below with your Monday motivational tips. See you guys. Bye.